Please like, share, and subscribe.
2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 1 owner. Finished in billet silver metallic with black cloth interior and a good list of added options. Installed options: 5-speed automatic transmission, hill descent control. Tip start: 24G customer preferred order selection package. 3.6-liter V6 engine, 5-speed auto transmission. Billet silver metallic. Black interior cloth seat trim. Black 3-piece hardtop. Freedom panel storage bag. Rear window defroster. Rear window wiper with washer. Trailer tow group. Class 1 receiver hitch. 4-pin trailer connector wiring. Connectivity group. Tire pressure monitoring display. Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth. Vehicle info center. 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara is a 4-door version of the Wrangler with a more luxurious Sahara trim package, offering features like upgraded interior materials, comfortable seating, and improved on-road driving dynamics while still maintaining strong off-road capability, making it a good choice for those who want a balance between daily driving and occasional off-road adventures. It comes standard with a 3.6-liter liters. It comes standard. Key points about the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Body style: 4-door unlimited model. Trim level: Sahara, offering a more comfortable and refined experience compared to base Wrangler trims. Engine: 3.6-liter V6 engine. Drivetrain: standard 4-wheel drive. Features: upgraded interior materials, comfortable seating, potentially including features like alloy wheels, fog lights, and privacy glass.
Please like, share, and subscribe.